Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching it from. This day today is a special day, and that's why we give much thanks to Almighty God for this amazing, blessed day. So we want to say good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening. It depends with the date or the time that you're watching this video. Welcome all, and in case you're new here, welcome. My name is Claude Joseph, and the name of this YouTube channel goes by the name Claude Joseph. Kindly, guys, remember we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and I don't take you for granted for 22,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much, family, and you are the CJ's family over here. And guys, remember, if you're new, welcome, and also add that subscription there. Remember to turn on the notification bell, and that's how we always grow. If you want to see Claude Joseph growing today, is you haven't subscribed, but when you subscribe, that's where you see this village boy grow. You'll be turning to maybe 23,000 subscribers. Maybe, who knows, maybe you're waiting for you to just add that subscription face. And I really appreciate your love and support. My Mazda face. Maybe some days I want to buy a Mazda car, because these, oh man, sometimes I have a, I don't know, maybe Mazda. Oh, is it Tesla or Mazda? Maybe a Mazda company man wanna advertise on me and say, God, we are paying you $1,000 or $2,000 because of your face looks like us. But let's put that aside, guys. This day today I want to share with you my updates over here, my home, the transformation of my home over here, and also want to share with you how I do the stuffs over here at home. And let me know in the comment section, do people work at home? Do you really work? Do you really do your amazing job at home? So I want to share with you how we trim the flowers a little bit, how we clean other stuffs. Like, you know, with us over here we have outside, we call it outside toilet or outside latrine. The inside is toilet, outside is pit latrine. English. Let's put that aside, guys. So watch this video to the end, and let's we'll be sharing what will be happening around here, and then ensure you subscribe if you haven't, episodes after episodes. And always remember, we are really urging to travel, and we are going to travel soon. And this is my home, and every single day when I'm around here, I'll be sharing with you how my home is around here. So it's about to go down, and this is the beautiful old trees that we always have here. It's called a water tree, and it provides a very nice shade. Oh my god, very nice. So you see here, we should sit down here, and that's how we see. So pay much attention, it's about to go down. If you like Claude Joseph, say hey. If you always like this video, say hey. And always, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and that's how it was to be. So let me share with you how we draw water. First, we'll be drawing water from the borehole, then bring them to the pit latrine, because it's flushable, not like you have, we do it manually, you pour water. But I'll show you. So let's see there. All right, guys, this is why we use it as a river, or as a tap, or as a tank. This is our borehole, and this is how we open it manually. Oh, deep down. That's our well, or our borehole. How do you call this? Is it borehole or well or whatever? Deep down. If my camera goes there, hey, the final thing down there, it's water. So if you fell inside here, my friend, if you fall down there, you'll be nowhere to be seen. So let me fetch water. Also is a form of exercise. Hey man, hold this for me. So I want to fetch water here. First of all, I want to share with you how we are fetching water from this side. You just do it manually and manually. That's why sometimes you see Claude Joseph, my power is powering a little bit, you know? So that's how we fetch water literally. So you pull, and it's clean water. Show them, bro. And it's clean water, very, very clean. Yeah, so I think that will be enough. So I have to change them to, hey fellas, help me that buckets. I have to change them to buckets. So we have clean water over here already. So I want to take it to the toilet, then I want to share with you what we're going to do around on this other side. It's a great transformation of our great home. All right. Yeah, so guys, I have water here, so I have to check them. Not just a manual work every single day. It's a manual work every day. Yeah. Diane, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good? Okay. So, literally, these are our toilet. So the moment is, yeah, this is a toilet, and this is our bathroom over here. This is our bathroom, and this is our toilet, or a pit latrine. So I want to literally fill water inside here, and this over here, because I told you we also have a tissue here. And this is a little bit, in this village mostly our toilet is a little bit advanced, so we use tissues. In other toilets in the village, sometimes you'll find a lot of leaves, or a lot of leaves, soft leaves, and also maybe old magazines or old gazettes just hanged over here. But with us here we have a tissue, and also it's like you have to squat, like, you know. I'll show you a little example about how you squat on this little toilet, and you help yourself here, and after you have helped yourself, after you have downloaded your information down here, you flush. And that flushing is not like you press, you just fetch water using this thing right here. Like, for example, like this. Let me say you have downloaded, let me say, come hold this, Manu. Let me say now, for example, you have downloaded your information over here. So this is it. Come here, man. So let me say you wanted to download, because here if you want to download your stuffs, you literally have to go low. And by going low, you have to step side by side, and then you go low. So the moment you go low this way, so you become very careful, so that, you know, the stuffs the information can't just disperse, can't leak out. You know what, the information is going on the other side. So when you have downloaded the information, the database is there, and when you already have downloaded the information, you use this to just flash away your information. All right, so let me know in the comment section, how do you people like do this, you know, with us here. The moment you have helped yourself downloading the information, that's how you do. So I want to do it clean over here, because for now I want to do it over here. I want to clean the entire side, so that it can look sparkling clean. And then later on, I want to just burn some stuff. So I told you I want to go do some literally great transformation over here. All right, let's do it. See you. Also, guys, don't be surprised. In the village, we have Vim. It's all purpose. So I'm having Vim over here. I want to sprinkle Vim. You know, sometimes they usually say, don't judge the information, don't judge the cover by the book by its cover. So we are here. We have Vim. In the village, we have Vim. So let me use this Vim. I'll just literally sprinkle it on these other sides. You know, just sprinkle it a little bit over here, over here, over here, over here also. Just a little bit over there, that way. Then just wait a little bit to just for it to take a little time. Then I want to scrub it clean. So we're gonna, you know, this sometimes we have visitors over here, so they, Claude, you look nice, but also no. But always this is always clean. Every morning it's being washed. So that this day I was like, oh, let me now wash also, so that I just try to balance work, because sometimes, you know, mostly people here, they call me boss, in which I'm not even a boss, and I haven't reached that point of me being called a boss. So always I'm this village boy who was born and raised over here. Maybe some days I'll be called a boss, but for now, let's work. It's work. All right. So let me try to scrub this over here a little bit. Just a little bit over here. Just remove this. You know, the moment you see it somehow yellow on this side on the top, is because we step on it. we always step over here while we are downloading our information. So for us to stop downloading the information, it's always clean. But the moment it has an information, the moment you're downloading your information over here, it's very this way. So like this, we'll be like, whoa, Claude, yeah. No. It's not always that way. It's not what you think. Alright. Yeah, the moment you see it this way, this means it's always almost clean. So this yellowish you see here, it's because we step on top, and always sometimes because this our compound is not yet paved. That's why you see we step here with mud, but I think it's almost clean. So let me splash this water. You see how it's sparkling clean it is. See, like this now. Wow. So I'm also helped here by my young brother Claude. Alright. You know, this means I have to teach them little by little, because the moment which I'll not be around here, it will be like, oh, we have to wash this. Not that they don't wash, they usually do it. So even when I'm here, they're like, no, you know, I told you, sometimes these big brothers who don't help, you know, they're like, oh, I wanna see the small young man to do it for us to enjoy. But it's really okay for you to help them sometimes. Like me today, I would like, no, let me just help them wash this. So let me add this water over here. Yeah. This one should be there. And this one over here. And of course, fruit. Have this then, take this home, take the vim, washing the toilet done, and come with the matchbox, okay? Washing toilet done, so it's clean, and that's how we do it over here. And also, let me see what else to do around here at home. Alright. So guys, I wanna start trimming the flowers a little bit, just trim where I can, and share with you our amazing work over here in the village. Alright. Trimming this a little bit. Now we have this pruning shears a little bit, so we can see what to do. Make them short, you know? Yeah, these are somehow you extend, they are extendable. DM for the job, guys. If you see me at your compound and I'm lazing and you have this, if you welcome me at your home and you see you have these pruning shears and I'm seeing some flowers that are here, just tell me, Claude, I saw you trimming at your home. Please, can you help us trim? Yes. So I'm here always. I'll be helping you trim your flowers every day, every time. You know, whenever I'm at your place. Don't see me lazing at your place and you have this. Please ask Claude, ask for my service and I'll help you. You see how I'm going? You see? slowly by slowly. But it's work. You know, shikamoo guys is a greeting here, which means I respect you. You know. So you see, like this one, it's a straight line. Huh? See, like this one that have overgrown, you cut them a little. Yeah, like this one, so that they can be on a straight line. This way. So if you see me at your home and you have this, please DM and ask Claude. Kindly Claude, can you help me trim? I'll just deliver the work. Also, I wanna trim this other side over here so that they wanna look nice and clean and nice. Alright. Okay. And let me know in the comment section. You know, nowadays this is the machine that we use over here. Others use maybe some heavy machines, but with us here we use this kind of pruning shears. Are called scissors or shears? I don't know. Please comment down below. You know, it's the huge transformation of a home by CJ. Huh? You hater who don't want to subscribe, eh? Huh? And always abuse me, huh? Huh? I'll eh? If you say yes, I'll you always have a negativity towards this. I'll chew you, huh? But let me chew these amazing flowers of ours. Okay. Always we do this. Guys, do you hear grandma singing while she's asleep? She's asleep, but her mind is all in singing. Yeah. Who else loves this job? If you need a clean compound, ask Claude. I'm here. You know, mostly who always do this work is for my brother, my elder brother Jacob. But whenever he's not around, I just take over a little bit just to help. Just to make this. But he's very perfect on doing this. So with me, I'm just trying. Yeah, little by little. So to make this compound look a little bit clean. Like propellers. You see? Huh? On a straight line. Come this side. Okay. So let me just swipe and sweep over here. I'm also with my young brother here.
Yes.
Manu Claude.
Yes.
Introduce yourself, young man.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Yes.
Welcome back to Claude Joseph's YouTube channel. If you're new there, please subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment.
Yes.
My name is Manu Claude.
Yes.
And I'm road to 1K subscribers.
Yes.
And my brother is road to 30K subscribers.
Yes.
Please reach him there.
Yes. Why are you running?
Appreciate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's really nice. He's my young brother. Please kindly help me get him to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support. He's been my what you call like my cameraman for now as I'm doing this video work kind of work over here. And yeah, let's see what next. Alright. Yeah, so guys, actually I've just stopped doing what you call like bringing the other side, so I wanna go burn the what you call like the dirt that has been over the other side. So I'm siphoning what we call like fuel literally from this motorbike, because we have no other what we call like something that can go just light the other thing. So I'm just siphoning a little fuel that will just be able to go and help me burn the other stuff. So it's better now. For now it's better. Yeah, I think this little one should be better for me to go and do what you call like burn the other stuff. So from here my young brother Manu will be helping to just sweep this other side. And of course also I'm not alone. I'm with another guy here. How are you?
I'm fine.
You good? Yeah, he's our neighbor just over here. And also this morning, are you able to be on the camera? No, anyway. You know, actually this morning I received a visitor, guys. She's staying with us over here in the village, also in our bulletproof house. And yeah, so I can't wait to welcome her to this YouTube channel. Hi.
Hi guys.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes.
So team CJ,
Yes.
habari zenu. Habari is how are you in Kiswahili.
Absolutely.
So they are hosting me with me, Howie.
Yes.
And I'm privileged to be here in the village, the bulletproof house.
Yeah.
Finally, I've seen it.
I also have seen the bulletproof house.
Yes.
Actually, she arrived this morning, guys. So yeah.
So thank you, CJ, for hosting me in your channel.
Absolutely.
And I'm sure we'll do more.
Absolutely.
Yes, guys. So guys, kindly have a YouTube channel. My name is Alice Nderito, aka Mama Yao, and kindly go follow me. And yeah, guys. So CJ will put my link down below.
Absolutely. How do you see this village, like for the few hours or for the few time, for the less time that you have been here? How do you see
my
this
goodness,
village?
guys, these people are so hospitable. Imagine since morning the way I've been fed in this place, and the place is so green. Actually, what we see on camera,
Yes.
it doesn't do justice.
Oh.
Hey, the place is so beautiful.
Wow.
I'm super proud for you people having me.
Yes.
Yeah, guys.
You saw Claude Joseph on camera, now real life.
Yeah, I've seen him.
The
real life.
difference?
The difference is that he's short. He's short.
For me, I think he's very tall.
Is he? But guys, let me tell you, even Burundian traveler is here. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Hey, oh my God.
That is my observation. But the one
Yeah.
who's short, the
Yeah.
one who's very short,
Oh my God.
is this guy.
You know the problem is in my family I'm the only shortest guy, so people recognize me with the shortest. Oh my God.
Exactly.
What
He's very
guys?
short.
Kindly comment down below. What should I eat so that I can grow big and tall?
No. Let me tell you,
Yes.
going up or going down,
Yes.
that is there, and that is God's will.
Absolutely.
But like this, it is your effort.
It's an effort.
Yeah, so you have to eat to become big.
Big. It's an effort for us.
Height and the shortness and
Become big like me.
yeah.
And also I'm also with this young boss over here, Burundian
Hey, I'm
traveler.
very big. You can see me. Look at my face.
Look at my face. I could do kill a lot. Thank you so much, Alice Nderito.
Thank you.
And highly welcome this. Maybe I wanna go. Just I'm having this.
What
It's
are you
not-
doing? What is
It's
that?
not a juice. This is fuel.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fuel. So you know, sometimes I was just collecting some dirt here,
Uh,
cleaning. Today was just
Cleaning day.
a clean day
oh
for
yeah,
me.
yeah.
And I was like, oh man. So because sometimes when I'm far away, they just dump a lot of stuffs on the. They have a very a pit, like a pit place, like
Okay,
where we
okay,
just
okay.
throw some.
The liter pit.
Yeah, the little pit. So it's full. So for now, I wanna go just use this fuel
To go burn.
to go just burn
And
all.
guys, I also met BB. Oh my
BB.
goodness, he's around and he's feeling better.
Yes.
And he's a very happy woman.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Even now, she can even carry water for herself.
Oh yeah, and she also
can
bet
just
herself.
go
Yeah,
by
she's
herself.
doing good. She's doing
Yeah,
good.
absolutely.
So guys, kindly go check me out and
Yeah.
we'll keep meeting.
This is to burn the haters.
I almost actually asked you
Yeah.
because I knew that this one is fuel. So
Oh,
it was
it's
like
this.
that. This one, it was carrying actually something to drink, but now this is fuel.
It's fuel. You want
Oh.
drink?
Ah,
It
No,
will
you
burn. It will die.
the guy who could actually drink them, Shaban.
Shaban
I
can drink this.
remember a long time when I was in Tanzania.
Yes.
He was most time he was going to those people who are selling fuel and asking them, please help me at least one bottle.
You know,
No,
this one is like Neritu. This one, it acts like how do you call it? Like a drug, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
This one is like a drug, you know.
So that time he could use it.
But
and
I
then
don't think they swallow. They smell.
They smell, yeah.
You smell and then it will make you high.
High, yeah.
But not to drink like
Not to
you
drink.
and swallow. No. You'll die.
You die.
This
No,
fuel.
he was drinking.
Drinking.
I remember even
my
me, I
God.
tried it 2 times. But then the problem
You
is
become
that
drunk.
when you
Did you get high?
no anything. The only problem was that one you do like
Oh, so you belch.
You belch.
yeah, if you
belch a
belt
lot.
Yeah.
and then it pass maybe through here,
And you feel like
you'll be burned like crazy.
it's like coke.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
Not
okay.
even coke is not a thing.
This
This one could burn me. It was burning even in the throat.
Now you can imagine how it's doing your body.
And then
Your
he
body.
said for him, he been using that time he was using them. If he feel like his stomach is itch.
is aching.
Yeah, and he was
Oh.
saying like if he use that one, it can pass through a long time actually
Without having a stomach ache.
Oh, it was
Hey,
acting
but
like
guys, let me know in
medicine.
the comment section.
Eh,
What do you
don't-
think about this fuel?
Don't,
You know
don't
this,
taste, don't taste.
it passes through a lot.
I guess now he cannot do it.
Hey.
But
Let me go
remember-
burn the dirt.
I remember Ora Malong. Is it
Yeah.
another person? No, he's on.
Yeah. No, this one is like, you know, it's like people used to sniff this like
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah,
So
sniffing.
they get high. You will see most of the street boys in Nairobi. They have such kind of this. They
And
call
blue.
it they call it MC.
Eh,
The MC. So this one is being smeared in the small cloth. So they use it to sniff. And also they use airplane fuel.
That one they
one,
take?
yeah. If you take that one, you feel high here. But if they lack that, they go for this.
Oh, you
Yeah,
can
guys, so
feel
this-
even like you are in heaven.
In a heaven. So guys, this is Burundian Traveler. We are here at home. So let me just go burn this.
Yeah, maybe let me help you.
You wanna go burn?
Yeah.
Hey, okay, let's go. So guys, we are here and also BB is just around here. Hey BB, unakula nini bibi sasa hivi? BB is having a very big brown bread, and also she's having what we call like a traditional drink called busara. It's literally made from what we call like millet, sorghum, and what we call like cassavas.
Yeah.
Also, she's having her brown bread. Baby, enjoy, and I'm coming back. Say enjoy.
Enjoy.
Okay.
Enjoy, baby.
Enjoy.
Enjoy, baby.
So that is it, guys. So let's go burn the dirt because over here we have been doing it on this other side, and also I'm with Burundian Traveler over here.
Yeah,
Okay?
guys, I'm here. Maybe
Yes.
who knows?
Yeah.
As more people actually been saying,
Eh,
we need to see these people traveling together. Maybe
Yeah,
our
yeah.
last day.
Maybe-
Maybe
maybe-
our last moment.
Absolutely.
Can it be?
Maybe it can. So actually, you see like this how it is being full. When I'm not around at home, they just dump without doing what you call like.
So this one, how are we going to do?
So you just do a little bit like you siphon, like you see. You just use this one, just this way, and then we just drop. Is it even? Let me show you. And then you leave it this way. So
Oh.
go this side.
Make sure it doesn't come to you.
So you just sprinkle this way.
What about if I do like this?
No, if you pour it, will just burn one side. Okay. So this way, using a straw this way. You hear? Now this one will burn like crazy. Yeah. So maybe you can just now do this way. A little bit of this, little bit of this, a little bit of this side, this side, this side. Yeah, now this one will get out of that place, bro.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Have you tried it before?
Yeah, have this. You want to have this? Ask this brother. So get out of that. Just push and then you throw it far away. You know, like me now, I have fuel in my mouth, so it can catch my mouth. Hey, it just goes like boof. Get out of that place, bro. Give this young man. He knows. Okay, bring it because me, I have just touched fuel, bro. Get out of that place. BT. BT will finish the matchbox. Bring, I show you.
Oh, wait.
It will like boof.
No, I think that is a lie.
Yeah.
Let
Just
me
go
go
like
down.
boof.
Let me go down.
No, never, never.
Yeah.
Never try going there. Hey, even that one, you'll see how it will just go like boof.
Don't lie to me.
I'm not lying. It's the truth, BT. Bring that matchbox. I use it because I'm used to this. Okay, because now when a kid cries for a razor blade, give it to her.
I don't see.
Bring, I show you. We always do this.
Okay.
And you know the reason is like me with me I have fuel already.
Wait.
You know me I have fuel. Wallahi, I swear I have fuel.
It's okay. Just go down, man.
I'll run.
These people, they are just shocking me. You have to shock someone.
Go.
Those fuel is not enough to make it like that.
It just jumps like crazy, bro.
Where is that bottle we are using? I think it's this one.
Yeah.
Drop it on it. Drop on it. On it. Bring me, I go down.
You go where? You see that one? It's going to lit up. It's going to lit up. It's going to lit up. It's going to.
Huh?
Yes.
You are lying.
I'm telling you the truth.
So now do like this and then throw before actually tini.
You see?
Oh, so that's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Someone could go even down, guys.
Bro, how does it? The other day went. It was like boom. So now it's lighting up very, very, very fast. Oh my God. Now this one is going to burn the entire that so that they can sink down a little bit. All right, let's go see what's going to happen before we end this video. Maybe this is
all of them
yeah, this is going to burn the whole.
away.
Yeah.
Oh,
So, you know, this is going to be maybe my.
because I'm seeing some.
Oh yeah, there's some over here. I don't know why. Because sometimes whenever I tell them to just dump them in the what you call like in that place, they just bring them here. And this one sometimes when they burn, when they are on the land, they cannot burn, they cannot decompose because these are plastics, guys. So they cannot decompose. So it's better you put them there, like a place like this.
They told me that this one is the Jahannam. Yeah?
The little Jahannam.
Jahannam.
Yeah, we are here with True Boy. True Boy.
Yes, this is True Boy. Boy, the big boy. Yes.
The big boy. The young boy.
I'm so angry. Is there a lunch?
You see me carrying kitchen on my back, my brother, for sure.
Your bag can get some stuff. I have banana here.
There's a time that you used to ask, is there food? And the mother just said to us, have you seen me carrying a kitchen on my back?
Yes. Are you seeing
Have you seen me with the kitchen in my back?
sufuria? You can go and cook for yourself.
Have you seen me with the sufuria? Do I look like sufuria?
Do I look like sufuria? So you
African mothers. Oh man, a big shout out to you. You made us who we are today sometimes. You made us strong. BT, you ask mom like, hey, I'm tired, I'm hungry. You ask you, do you see me like sufuria? or do you see me carrying a kitchen on my back?
Yeah, that is everywhere. Don't you have African mom there? You have hands.
Don't you have hands?
Nowadays, this one could make your money like using them as a comment.
If you are you, what will you answer that question?
How will you answer that question?
Say you are hungry.
And show you, do you see me carrying sufuria on my back? Do I look like sufuria?
You know why they could do that?
To just strengthen you.
Because you can go to cook. You can go to take food by your own.
Yeah, by your own, so that you can learn.
Sometimes guys, actually, okay, I'm sorry. I guess sometimes I do answer such kind of question. If someone is asking me, where is the kitchen? No.
Where is food?
Where is the food? And he knows the way kitchen is. And I'm not the woman.
No, you know the thing is, just now your mom asked, you tell mama,
your mom.
no, like, do I look like sufuria?
And you must behave like that to your mom, especially when you're still young, like this.
When you are young like this, mom, I'm hungry. Do I look like sufuria?
That one was funny. But nowadays, you know, they are not too much like that high.
Yeah.
They are not so hard.
They are not
like,
so hard.
Like moms, they are like,
You know, like sometimes back, we used to have bicycles.
Yeah, put it there.
So, when it was a weekend or when we had a holiday, I used to have a bicycle, and CJ used.
Yeah, we used to have a bicycle. We used to be a good rider.
So when we were maybe around 10 a.m. We used to go. So when we come back, we will ask for food. Mom, is there any food?
Go eat your bicycles.
Go eat where you are. Go eat.
Go eat your bicycles, but you are cycling around. Go eat your bicycles. So you're like, oh my god. But at long last, they just give you food. At long last, when their tempers have cooled down. But we can't complain, guys. So
you left me with animals here.
You left me with animals struggling. You want to cycle your bicycles. Go eat your bicycles.
And you are coming to ask for food. Go eat what.
Guys, let us know in the comment section which are the worst words ever that you have ever when you are young. Maybe if your mother never did you to this, maybe the neighbor. Which words were you very on that? Alright guys, so let's see what's going happening. And I'm seeing Bibi. Bibi. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I miss you.
I miss you.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you, teacher? Good morning, good morning. How do you do? That's our granny. She looks better and great, and now she's having some energy. It's a traditional energy drink. Bibi, what's your story? Give us a story. Tulia. Tulia. How do you call this in English?
Busara.
Busara in English. Oh.
Busara in English.
Okay.
Maji ya Wakuria.
Maji ya Wakuria. Tell them, guys.
Yes.
I miss you.
I miss you.
I'm drinking.
And I'm drinking.
Say, I'm drinking.
And I'm drinking.
Kunywa sasa. Aya, kwa Kiswahili ni kunywa. Kwa Kiswahili ni kunywa. Kwa Kiingereza ni drink.
Drink.
Okay, drink.
Drink.
Quench thirst. Say construction. Say construction. Sema bibi construction. Najua ikikuwa ngumu nasema ikikuwa ngumu when it's hard for her she say Okay, say construction.
Yeah?
Construction. Say ko. Ameenda hivi, sema construction.
Anaenda hivi. Uko chini.
Say construction. Okay, baby. Haya, not me not disturb you. Bye. Bye. See you on our next video. Bye. Okay guys, that's it. And actually guys, it's my last video. Maybe I can't help my last video. It seems like my last day in the village, but anyway, it's good and great on this other side. You wanna say hi, Minhawi? We are here with Minhawi. Hi.
Hi guys.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You great?
Very great.
Hey,
What?
I'm going.
I know, guys, and he wants to leave me behind.
Today or tomorrow?
I think it's tomorrow.
Hey.
Every time he leaves me, and I just,
No, look that
no.
you'll have a small neck. Let me balance the
No,
camera.
let me have my small neck. It's mine. Yeah.
Okay, introduce yourself now.
Guys,
Min
my name is Min Howie. Right from Nyabuhanse village. It's Ibania to be specific.
Yes.
So guys, kindly check me out. Subscribe to my channel. We're in the village here. He's leaving me.
No, I'm not leaving.
He is.
No.
Yes.
If I'll leave, I'll just do a video, a special video. But I'm just speculating whether I'll be leaving or not.
I have a feeling he's going.
You don't have that feeling.
Yeah, so I'll be alone again. But then now it's okay. You know me.
Alone.
No, you know me. You know me. I'm used to being alone, so I'll survive. You know.
Survive.
Yeah.
Without Claude.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, we have heard it very nice. So don't be shocked sometimes when we heard that I'm alone. I'm alone again. I'm a single.
You
again.
continue saying.
I'm single. BT, come you sing for me that single. I'm single again.
I'm not a single.
Yeah.
No, she's saying that I'm going.
I did not say single. I'm used to being alone. Alone is.
In my video. Sijafanya
So guys, this is how you see, and things are going.
I'm gonna miss you so bad, especially when I'm too sober. I'm too sober. It's okay, mama. I'm gonna be okay, mama.
Such a shame, mama.
Such a shame. She was there for the man and the fame. Nilidhani ni bonge la demu. Kumbe tambakira sehemu. Hadi machizi mukamwita shame. Mwita shame. She was playing the game.
And she left you.
Yeah.
Maybe this love not for me.
I'm single.
I'm single again.
Yeah.
You know I'm single. You're not single.
You're not
I'm
single.
the only single boy here.
Okay, single boy.
Okay,
I'm a single boy. No,
I'm a single
maybe
boy.
we thought I'm a simple boy.
No, I'm not simple boy.
I'm a single boy.
You are not
Anyway.
simple, you are single.
Yeah, so-
And you wish to mingle.
No,
Yeah.
not.
Anyway,
not
thank
very
you
good.
guys. I'm hoping that their journey, in case they're going anywhere, is successful. That it bears them fruits,
Amen.
and they make money,
Hallelujah.
and they
And
make
bring
new
it to me.
friends.
Yes.
Make money and bring to me.
We have known you.
Huh? I keep money. Yeah, but then that's a joke. So make
And it's
money,
not for bad also.
bring it
You-
back,
You know,
invest in yourselves,
amen.
and let's grow.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And let me wear very good clothes. Eh?
No, you look nice.
You look nice and
Yeah.
great.
Oh, okay.
And you're with your signature jacket.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll throw away that jacket from tomorrow. I swear. I'll
Okay.
throw away that jacket. Guys, thank you so much for
very
watching
good, eh?
this video
Yeah.
till
Hey.
the end.
It's
And
nice.
also subscribe to Min Howie.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Claude Joseph Road 5,000 subscribers. We have here True Boy 208.
Yeah, man, true boy.
We have here Burundian Traveler, my
Can I
young
show you?
brother, Manu.
And also, guys, we have another guest here.
Here, yeah.
Please, Alice Nderitu.
Deritu.
Alice Discoveries.
Yeah, Alice Discoveries on YouTube. That is my YouTube channel. I don't know if it's visible.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
visible.
Please check her out, guys.
Kindly check me out. Road to 1,000 subscribers.
1,000
Right now I'm at 502.
5?
Woo!
Right now I'm 502.
Oh, 502. Record it very 502.
Yes. So guys, take me to 1,000 subscribers and I'll appreciate.
Yeah. So,
Thank you
guys,
so much.
thank you so much, and see you
Yeah, man.
in a bit.
Alright, guys. Bye.